Hello guys, welcome back to Toy Time. Today I'm going to be opening, it's not really big or anything, but I'm just going to be opening a little Kinder Joy thing. So, let's see, I like them, but I usually use them for my dolls. Oops. So yeah. What's this? Is this like a... Oh, it's a dolphin! Oh, it looks so cute, but I need to do some things with it. So, okay, what's in here? So I have to put the gray part on the dolphin. How? Like this? And then like this? Oh, it has to... Okay, so this part has to go through in that hole. I think, yeah. And then I put this. Like, oops. This is really, okay. So here it is. It's really actually cool. So look, I attached it. I was doing it the wrong way. I was like putting this side there and it was really confusing, but I actually did it. So, oops. So like you put it on the ground and then you just go like that and you could go like this. So yeah, this is a cool toy, but I would either put it just like a little display or I could use it for my dolls. Usually I do for my dolls, but if I get a new shelf, I think I'm just gonna put like a Kinder display like that. So yeah, this was a really cool one, and it says you could have a video game, I think. Yeah, like that. And you play with it. I've actually never... I think this, yeah, this is the thing. So yeah, I'll try it. I'll try it out. And this is a chocolate and a little spoon. So let's see. It's usually like little nuts. Yeah, like this. And oops. And I really like them. Oh, this one's melted. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.